This is absolutely very flavorful, delicious grilled tilapia recipe. And above all, the recipe was very easy to put together. Trust me, you will love it. If today is the first time here, this is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. You will love it here, so please do not forget to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Now, without wasting much of your time, I have my tilapia here. I'll just cut the tail and the sideways. I am not going to cut it, okay? I mean the other fins, I'm not going to cut it. Now, after that, I'm going to make some marks on it so that when we want to season the tilapia, it can be well seasoned, okay? Yes. So if you want to cut the other things or any part that you don't want, you can go ahead and then do so, but I am going to leave it, okay? I'm going to leave it for a reason, personal reason. Yes, maybe one day I will share. Now, after cutting that part, I don't want it, I'm just going to flip it to the other side, make the same cut there, and then we are good to go. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I am so grateful, okay? And today our knife is very sharp. Hey, where did I sleep? Today my knife is very sharp, so as you can see, I'm doing the thing slowly. It's because I want to be very careful. If you are old here, you know, when it comes to kitchen handling knives, I am very careless handling knives, and then also baking. I always have some marks on my hand from the oven. So forgive me, but today our knife is very sharp. Yes, that is why I want to be very careful. I don't want to get any mark today. Now I removed the grill, and now that's sideways. I decided to cut it, but make sure it shouldn't be very deep, okay? Yes, it shouldn't be very deep. Sometimes I don't cut it, but sometimes I do, depending on let me share with you, depending on the strength of the fish. Yes, so I decided to cut it small because the fish looks a bit stronger. So now the inside there looks very dark, and I just want to clean it very well under my running water, okay? So I will send it to my sink and then wash it very well, and we are going to use this lemon as well to re-clean it again after cleaning it in my sink. That is going to remove the fishy scent from the fish. You know how sometimes fish can smell? Yes, it has that fishy enyang, so that is why we use the lemon. Actually, I started eating big fish like this when I met my husband, and I can boldly say that now I can eat it because of the lemon, okay? It doesn't smell when you use the lemon to clean it before preparing your fish. There are some fish you can just clean it very well without the lemon, but I mean you will enjoy it, okay? But with this, you have to use lemon so that you can enjoy it. After that, I have added some water to it. I will allow it to stay for some time and then strain it from it. Now I'll add my salt, add enough salt, and then allow the fish to stay in the salt solution for about 10-15 minutes, and then you are good to go. So we are just going to allow this, and I will get back to you very soon. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos. Then Jessica, it is very free. Yes, after the 10-15 minutes I strained, and now I have my tilapia on the rack, which I am doing charcoal grill, okay? So I did this because I want it to be smoky, and also I want the smoky flavor in, okay? And also I will get back to that, but before that I have my bell peppers, habanero pepper, I have ginger, garlic, scallions, or spring onion. What I'm going to do is that we have washed this already. We have washed all the ingredients already and cut them, so I will be blending it. Okay, instead of me to add water to it and blend, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to waste time when I am preparing the sauce. So we are going to blend this with um, um oil. Okay, so I have my olive oil here. I'll pour it on all the ingredients and then blend. See, after blending it, this is what we got, and we are going to just continue to cook this like how you prepare your stew. Should you see any housefly around, please forgive me. Okay, I'm outside and it's normal. Yes, it's normal. So I'll give it a stir, add my seasoning to it. You can add any seasoning of your choice, salt, anything, and you are good to go. I added some basil and then parsley to it when I was blending. Okay, I got that from my garden and I forgot to show you. So just look at the green sauce, it looks absolutely delicious. As for the cooking pan, it is very light. That is why you can see that it has started burning, but there is no problem for that. Okay, now the sauce is ready. This is what the tilapia is looking like, and I will just smear the sauce on it, send it back to where I was grilling it. Okay, so it will go back to the rack. We are using only charcoal for today. Sometimes I do put it back in the oven. So I did that earlier because when I have a lot of things to do, okay, and maybe my hand is not free to prepare the sauce for the tilapia, what I do is just to leave the tilapia there, and I know that it has been half cooked. Whenever I am a bit free and the tilapia is half cooked, I will just continue with the stew and then smear it on the tilapia and then continue so that I can finish up whatever thing I am doing on time. So I've shared one thing that can make you finish your things on time, or if you are multitask like me, because when I'm doing something, I am doing this at the same, I can do about 10 things at the same time. I tell you honestly, yes. So that is why I did that, and it is very helpful. I pair this with my 3-4 days kinky. Just look at that, it was absolutely good. I can't wait to share with you this soft kinky. It was very, very nice. Thank you so much for watching till this point. I am so grateful. So again, if you are doing a lot of things, you can just leave your tilapia in your oven, or if you are using charcoal, so that when you have a free hand, you can just prepare your sauce and then smear it on it later and then grill it, so that you can speed up with whatever thing you are doing. Okay, it really helps. Just look at that, absolutely juicy and very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next upload.